Hello everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we will be going through an informative video. Can a service provider should use paid marketing for growing their business? Is it worth to invest in PPC for a local appliance repair provider? So let's explore it further. So today we are delving into the success story of an appliance repair brand. Join me as we uncover how we have generated almost 200 conversions with a cost per conversion of just 27.42 rupees. With the focus on excellence and expertise, we at Softtrix convert dream into realities by converting clicks into the actual client. The brand specializes in repairing essential household appliances including freezers, refrigerators, washers, dryers, dishwashers, stove, cooktops, microwaves and the oven ranges. Crafting targeted campaigns to reach our audience effectively, we have crafted targeted campaigns tailored to the specific needs by focusing on the most common appliance repair services such as refrigerator repair, clothes dryer repair, washing machine repair. We have ensured our ads resonated with the potential customers searching for solutions to their appliance problems. Service excellence is at the core of our brand. In our ads, we have highlighted the commitment to quality repairs and exceptional customer service. The keywords like refrigerator repair service, dryer repair services near me reinforced our dedication to providing timely and reliable solutions to our customers' appliance issues. In addition to our targeted ad campaigns, we have utilized the ad extensions to enhance the visibility and accessibility of our services. One such extension that proved highly effective for us is the call extension. With this feature, the potential customers could easily connect with us directly from their search results with a simple tap on their mobile devices. Through continuous monitoring and optimization, we maximize the performance of our ads. We analyze the data on click-through rates, conversion rates and the cost per conversion for identifying top performing keywords and allocate our budget effectively. With the CPC of just 2.31 rupees, we ensured our advertising dollars were spent efficiently. Customer reviews are a powerful tool in building trust and credibility. In our ads, we showcased positive testimonials from satisfied customers, highlighting their experience with our repair services. Authentic feedback really helped instill confidence in potential customers, encouraging them to choose us for their appliance repair needs. As a local appliance repair service, we prioritize targeting customers in our service area. The keywords like dryer repair services near me and then helped us to capture local search traffic and connect with customers seeking immediate assistance with the appliance issues. While conversions are a vital metric, we also looked beyond the numbers to measure the impact of our campaign. Customer satisfaction, repeat business, and the brand loyalty were equally important indicators of our success. By delivering exceptional service experience, we aimed to build long-lasting relationships with our client. In terms of the conclusion, our journey to success in the appliance repair industry was driven by a relentless focus on customer satisfaction and the service excellence. Through targeted campaigns, optimized ad performance, and a commitment to quality, we were able to generate 200 conversions at a cost per conversion of only 27.4 rupees. As we continue to grow and serve our community, we remain dedicated to providing reliable solutions for all their appliance repair needs. Please do like, share and subscribe, and don't forget to click on the bell icon.